What's up, guys? We're here in ALS for the third time in like 20 minutes. I don't know how this guy, ALS Razz, is like some magician, man. I don't know. But this time we got an SP Authentic Gretzky that it looks like it's from the 1950s. So go down here and type in live. We are live at 4:57. It's 4:57 here in Denver, Colorado. Gotta go grab the list first. So this time we got Luke on top and Luke on the bottom. That's not what I wanted. Get a fresh list. Luke on top, Luke on the bottom. No spaces in between. Good luck. 1, 2. Luke on top after 2. If history repeats itself, Luke will be on top after 3 as well. I think Emilio was on top after 2 and 3, the last two Razzes. So we'll get that timestamp in at 4:58. It's 4:58. Third and final time. Good luck, everybody. Ha! And he goes for the sweep. Emilio has a horseshoe up his ass today. I need some of that. And third time, 4:58. It just turned 4:59. Again, 3 times. Emilio, the big cheese. Congrats, dude.